Over the past several years, the handmade or homemade crafts community has grown from a tiny area of interest to a full-fledged enterprise. Craft websites like Etsy have led the metaphor, allowing makers of all kinds to promote and marketplace their products to a global target audience online. However, Etsy is handiest one of the places to promote handmade crafts online. That is a list of websites where you can promote and marketplace your homemade or self-made crafts and locate new houses for them. In line with the studies by means of the Affiliation for Innovative Industries, the overall length of the U.S. creative industry turned into worth $43.9 billion in 2017. The increase from the preceding survey, which became executed in 2011, turned into an outstanding 45%. But Etsy is best one of the places to promote homemade crafts online. Under is a listing of websites wherein you can sell and marketplace your homemade or homemade crafts and discover new homes for them. Etsy might be the great recognized market for artisans and craftspeople of every type to sell homemade crafts online. You may promote homemade and antique items, alongside craft supplies. Money owed are loose, but customers pay small listing costs and a percent of each sale made on the platform. But it comes with a lively community of dealers and customers alike. And there are categories for almost any form of product you may think of. Artfire is every other online marketplace with an energetic network experience. The business enterprise gives loose seller bills, however also gives paid money owed for extra skilled sellers wanting more stock space.